How cool is this Gothic Halloween vampire necklace and bracelet set? I love it. It's so fun. The little beads of blood kind of go down towards your cleavage. You could do it off center or you could do it in the center. And this is adjustable. So let me take it off to kind of show you the beads up close. Okay, so here's the choker. You have these kind of metallic, they really do look realistic, of oxidized blood on the beads, and then that beautiful drip down is so cool. And then on the bracelet, you just have these beautiful 3 strands of pearls, and then also those oxidized bloody strands right there. Everything is adjustable, so whether you have a bigger wrist or a smaller wrist, you can adjust it. I have a pretty small wrist, and it fits great. There's what it looks like up close. So fun. I think this is perfect for a costume or for a Halloween dinner party. Comes with a little bag as well, and so much fun.